Hello, in this video we're going to talk about solving quadratic equations. Now a quadratic equation has the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. A, b, and c are real numbers and a cannot be 0 in this. Now when we graph a quadratic function, that's when a parabola is formed. Okay, so whenever you have your highest term have an x squared, the degree is 2, right? The exponent on that is 2. Then we're going to have a parabola formed. So we have many different ways to solve quadratic equations. What we're going to do today is focus on solving them by graphing. So let's look at that. So to solve a quadratic equation by graphing, we find the x-coordinates of the x-intercepts. So in example 1, my x-intercepts occur at 1, 0 and 4, 0. So to solve this, my x's are equal to 1 and 4. We can do this because we know that in the quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Normally that's ax squared plus bx plus c would equal your y value, or your f of x value. And since my y has been turned into 0, both of these have y values of 0, that the x's must be what make this true. So x in number 1 must be 1 or 4. So we have two possible answers. We list both of them. In number 2, the same thing. Here are my two x-intercepts. The x-coordinates are -1 and 7. And so those are the solutions for this quadratic equation, -1 and 7. Okay, so that's how you solve a quadratic equation by graphing. Put the parabola on a coordinate plane and find the x-intercepts. For now, we are done.